Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to select multiple images in Excel and resize it. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to select multiple image and resize this. At first go to the insert menu, select the picture option and click this device. Now I am select multiple image from our file. Then click insert, then zoom out the spreadsheet, then select image one by one and move them. Now we can see here some image. Now we want to select this multiple image. At first select a image, then press and hold shift on our keyboard and select the multiple image. Now you want to resize this all image, you can resize manually, otherwise you can resize at once. Go to the picture format menu, select the size and properties drop down menu, check mark of the lock aspect ratio and make the size height and width, then press enter. Now we can see we select and resize multiple image very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.